Om Namah Shivaya. Om Hrim Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Demonstration of Pranayama. Sit in a cross-leg position in Sukhasana, Padmasana or Siddhasana or even on a chair, but palms should be facing upwards, backbone straight, head straight, body should be loose, don't tighten your body. First we will be demonstrating Kumbhaka Pranayama. It's just very simple. Take a deep breath, hold it, push the air towards your tummy gets filled with air like a pot. Kumbhaka means pot. Hold it for 10 seconds, press your tummy in, push the air up and slowly exhale. This you can repeat for 5 to 8 times, not more than that initially. Then take rest and we will start Anulom Vilom. See the finger arrangements of your right hand. With your thumb, press the right nostril. Inhale slowly from your left nostril. With the ring finger, hold your left nostril and exhale from your right nostril. Again inhale from the right nostril, press it with your thumb and exhale from your left nostril. Repeat it for 5 to 10 minutes. You start with 5 minutes, then you can continue for 10 minutes. In this, while after inhaling, you can hold it for a few seconds, not more, 2 to 3 seconds, and then exhale. With thumb, right nostril, with ring finger, left nostril. This is for the blocking process. Rest for a while. Simple inhalation, exhalation. Then we will be doing Bhastrika. Bhastrika means bellow. Bellow. The ironsmith used to, to pump up the stove. They used to use bellows in olden days. So that is a Bhastrika. It's also very simple. Sit straight, loose body. Full inhale fully. Exhale, slowly exhale. Then slowly increase the speed, slowly. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then inhale and hold it. Hold it for say about slowly exhale. You will have a very nice feeling in your head, very calm, very nice feeling. Enjoy it. Enjoy the feeling. Very nice feeling. Because the lungs is filled with oxygen. Oxygen is supplied in every part of your body. It's very nice feeling. You can do 8 to 10 times, not more than that initially. See? First slowly start inhale, exhale, then increase the speed and inhale and hold. And then slowly exhale. See, you should inhale counting 10 when you in Kumbhaka, hold it for say 15 and exhale 10. The ratio should be in that way. But in this one, as you are doing Bhastrika, it is in one go. You have to hold it after inhaling, after the speed, fast repetition, inhale, exhale, and then slowly exhale. Now we will be doing the Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is just a manipulation of Bhastrika. Here the inhale is normal, but the exhale is with a thrust. This clears the nasal passage. It's Kapala. Kapala means skull. This nasal passage in blocking Islam, is cleared. It's also like that. First start slowly, slow speed, then increase the speed, hold it, inhale, hold it, and slowly exhale it. See one thing, in all the asanas, your hand has to be on your thighs facing upwards. That is the very basic thing. Now we'll be doing Nadi Shuddhi. Actually, this is for those who are towards spirituality. The same as Anulom Vilom, same finger arrangements. Hold your or block your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale from your left nostril, slowly. Block your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale from the right nostril. And repeat the process. Here the breathing should be normal, head should be always straight, body should be loose, palm of your left hand should be on your middle of your lap facing upwards, and very normal breathing, no sound, very normal, slow inhalations, slow exhalation. This are to activate the nadis, the Idas and the Pingala. The Ida and the Pingala are activated, is cleared. Same is done in the Anulom Vilom also. Very slowly you should do it, and very normal breathing. Don't force yourself. Especially if anyone is having any lungs problem or high BP, before doing any of the pranayams, they should consult doctors or a yoga teacher, of repute, not anyone. Because while holding, and one more thing, don't hold in any one of this what I have told before. Don't hold for too long that you suffocate. You will have the lungs hemorrhage. Be in a comfortable position. Breathing should be always normal, very smooth and in a comfortable way. Now we will be demonstrating Bhairava or the Kundalini. This is also for those who are in the spiritual line. Here, the same way you have to press your with nostril, right nostril with your thumb. But breathing is only through the left nostril. Stepwise, not in one go you inhale. Stepwise you inhale. Slow. You inhale in step. Then block your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through the right finger. Right nostril. Then again with your thumb, block your right nostril and stepwise inhalation from the left nostril. Block your left nostril with the ring finger and slowly exhale from the right nostril. This is mainly, active for the activation of the energy in the Sushashma Nadi. Sushashma Nadi, that is the middle one, in between the Ida and the Pingala. The Kundalini. But don't think, some snake will rise, or something will happen. Just normal, and you need not do it. You can only just start with the Kumbhaka and the Anulom Vilom. These two are basics, and you start with those. Do for 3-4 weeks. And you will find the results. In the blog, it has been clearly mentioned what advantages you will have. Relax, breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Don't get up at once after completing. Relax yourself. Let the internal system be cooled down. Relax. Body should be loose. Om Namah Shivaya.